Hey, welcome back to DIY Willy. Today we've got Max out and his buddy Briggs. I got the clutch in, I got the chain on, and I'm having some trouble. I'm trying to troubleshoot it. I don't see anything exactly what's wrong, but let me explain. So when riding, well, let me explain the obvious. My exhaust weld, not the greatest. I don't know if you can see that. You really can't, can you? No, you really can't see that. Here's the part on the bottom. Ooh, it's still hot. Anyway, my welds at the radius didn't hold up, so that's why I want the TIG welder. But besides that, the chain is skipping. I've checked the alignment. The alignment looks pretty good. I checked the straightness of the sprocket. It didn't get damaged in the crash. It still looks pretty good. It was a brand new chain, so I know, well, it could be damaged, I guess. It's not working. So I'm going to check the alignment again on the sprocket. I never did hit my tensioner because of the lift on the engine. It didn't come down to do that. So I was tensioning it by the adjusters on the rear wheel. And at first I left it loose to see if that would help. Then I tightened it up to see if that would help. But as it came around, like every third or so revolutions, it would not settle into the teeth of the sprocket, and it would come around and then pop. It would pop. And because it was on top of the sprocket instead of on the bottom. But the bottom, when the top was off on top of the sprocket, the bottom was right where it was supposed to be. So I don't know, maybe the sprocket's damaged, possibly. I'm going to take a better look at the teeth. I'm going to check the alignment again, going up through there. The sprocket appears to be straight. Doesn't have any wobble to it, but something's not right, and we got to figure it out because I want to ride this thing again. And well, there's a couple of things we got to fix after the rebuild. So yeah, just a quick short video talking about Max and Briggs the Briggs and some of the problems I'm having with it at the moment. I don't know if it's a chain. I've got another chain. I'm gonna try another chain. I'm also going to inspect the sprocket. This is a 60 tooth, I believe, so I may have to get a new 62 sprocket. Maybe the sprocket's fine. I don't know. It could be damaged. It may not have liked the Monster 212 because that was the sprocket I had for the Monster 212, and that thing was powerful. So maybe it did damage the sprocket. Who knows? Other than that, everything's great on the bike. It's working perfect. The brakes are working. Everything is perfect except for those two things. The exhaust didn't hold up, and the chain. Somewhere with the chain is wrong, and the exhaust. So we're going to get together. We're going to fix these problems. If you have any suggestions, please leave it below in the comments. And, well, that's what I got. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And please always come back for more DIY Willy on these mini bikes, the Razor, the tools, the bugs. They're still sitting here. The Silverado, the Samurai. All the projects that we work on. And I know we'll get together and we'll figure out what's wrong with this one, and we'll get back on there and make a riding video and check out Briggs. He's smoking a little bit, but he's still running really strong. All right, see you next time. Bye.